Today we're going to talk about fixing a roof leak. But what if you can't find the shingles to fix that roof? We at Top Notch Roofing got an estimate request for this roof. The owner sent us the following notes. We have a 7-year-old roof that has started to fail. Wind, hail, rain damage are starting to take a toll, even have a couple of leaks. Our builder has refused to assist us, so we're requesting a complete replacement quote and to be processed through our insurance. Our roof is 16-on-12 pitch and 2 turrets in the front and curved top roofs on the dormers.
I took pictures and some measurements of the shingles to do some research on the installed product. With help from ABC Supply in Nolanville, Texas, we were able to determine the product used was GAF asphalt shingles called Monaco. ABC was able to reach out to GAF and find out that the product was discontinued in 2017. With this information, I informed the owner and asked them to request another adjuster that I can meet on site.
I met the second adjuster on site to discuss the discontinued shingles, and we both determined that we need to run an ITEL report for the carrier to approve this roof. Days later, the insurance adjuster came back with the ITEL report and found that the material, as I predicted, was no longer made. So what does that mean if they can't find the product or produce anything that's even close to the color or make of the shingle on the house? In most homeowner policies, please check your policy to make sure you have this. If the carrier can't find a product to repair the roof or siding or flooring, that they have to pay for replacement of the entire section or system. If you, as the homeowner or contractor, find yourself in this unique situation where you cannot find the material to fix the roof, think about running an ITEL report. You can ask your carrier, see if they'll do it, or you can go to the App Store on your phones and download an ITEL app. They'll walk you through the process. The app is free, but you do have to buy some products from them to actually take the sample. If you have the iPhone, like I do, you need to go to your App Store and go to the search and type in ITEL. And go to the ITEL Now. Click on download or get. Here you can see a little preview of the app. You can do carpet, flooring, siding. You got example photos. You got ceramics, vinyls. Doesn't have the best reviews, 2.8. Now you would go to find it on your screen, ITEL Now, open it up, hit allow or don't allow. You need to sign up. And scroll down, begin registration. You'll need to fill out all the fields. And here you can see the pricing for the different kits for like, for flooring, siding, and roofing. It's like $49. So you'll have to pay for that and accept the terms, register, and then they'll send you the kit so you can do your first ITEL report. The homeowner got a claim to pay for a brand new roof. That will fix the leak.